Key cutting Scarborough. Autotech Locksmiths provides expert locksmith services for residential, commercial, and automotive needs. Our licensed team specializes in auto locksmith solutions, including car key replacement, lockout assistance, and transponder key programming. We offer key cutting services, ensuring precise and durable replacements. Whether you need rekeying, lock repairs, or new security installations, our mobile team delivers prompt and efficient solutions. For urgent situations, our emergency locksmith team is available 24/7 to assist with lost keys or lockouts, serving North Brisbane, including North Lakes, Redcliffe, Caboolture, and surrounding areas. Contact us today for fast and reliable service.